5 best dropshipping suppliers in Kenya. Kenya is one of Africa's fastest-growing e-commerce markets, making it an exciting place to start or scale a dropshipping business. With its improving logistics infrastructure and rising demand for online shopping, partnering with reliable suppliers in Kenya can help you deliver quality products to your customers quickly and efficiently. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Kenya to help you build a thriving online store. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Kenya. Whether you're selling electronics, fashion, home goods, or beauty products, these suppliers will help you find quality inventory, competitive pricing, and efficient shipping options to grow your dropshipping business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Jumia Kenya. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Jumia Kenya, one of the largest e-commerce platforms in Africa. What they offer. Jumia Kenya offers a wide variety of products, including electronics, fashion, beauty, and home goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their competitive pricing and expansive product catalog make them a go-to supplier for Kenyan dropshippers. Shipping advantage. Jumia's strong logistics network ensures fast delivery within Kenya and across the region. If you're looking for a trusted platform with a diverse product range, Jumia Kenya is a great place to start. At number 4, Sky.Garden. Coming in at number 4 is Sky.Garden, a Kenya-based e-commerce platform focused on connecting buyers with local sellers. What they offer. Sky.Garden specializes in electronics, clothing, home goods, and personal care products. Why they're popular. Their emphasis on local suppliers ensures faster delivery times and access to products tailored to the Kenyan market. Shipping advantage. Sky.Garden's efficient logistics network makes it easier for you to keep customers happy with timely deliveries. If you want to work with local suppliers and cater to the Kenyan market, Sky.Garden is a fantastic option. At number 3, Africa Sokoni. Next up at number 3 is Africa Sokoni, a multi-vendor platform designed to support African businesses. What they offer. Africa Sokoni provides access to categories like electronics, fashion, home appliances, and groceries. Why it's great for dropshipping. With suppliers across Kenya, Africa Sokoni gives you a wide variety of products to choose from. Local advantage, their focus on Kenyan and regional suppliers ensures reliable sourcing and faster shipping times. If you're targeting the Kenyan market and want a platform that supports local businesses, Africa Sokoni is a great partner. At number 2, Kopia Kenya. Coming in at number 2 is Kopia Kenya, a platform revolutionizing e-commerce in rural and urban Kenya. What they offer. Kopia Kenya specializes in household goods, groceries, electronics, and farming products. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their focus on high-demand products and efficient logistics makes them ideal for targeting underserved markets. Shipping advantage. Kopia's delivery network spans both urban and rural areas, ensuring your customers receive their orders quickly. If you're looking to serve diverse Kenyan markets, including rural areas, Kopia Kenya is a reliable dropshipping supplier. At number 1, Kilimall Kenya. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Kilimall Kenya, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the country. What they offer. Kilimall offers a massive range of products, including fashion, electronics, beauty, and home goods. Why they're the best. Their competitive pricing, frequent promotions, and broad supplier network make them the perfect partner for dropshippers. Shipping advantage. Kilimall's logistics system ensures quick and reliable delivery to customers across Kenya. If you're serious about dropshipping in Kenya, Kilimall is the ultimate supplier to partner with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Kenya. Let's quickly recap the list. Kilimall Kenya, best overall for product variety, competitive pricing, and fast delivery. Kopia Kenya, ideal for targeting both urban and rural markets with high-demand products. Africa Sokoni, great for supporting local businesses and finding diverse product options. Sky Garden, perfect for working with local suppliers and catering to Kenyan customers. Jumia Kenya, a trusted platform with a massive catalog and strong logistics network. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.